Alright, good day to you watching me right now and welcome to this webinar. I believe the reason you're here is because you want to learn how to make money from WhatsApp and how you can join my training. I'm going to be breaking down everything in this webinar. I'll be explaining to you how other people have done it and how you can also do it for yourself as well. Yes, from WhatsApp, making money from your WhatsApp. But I'll need you to do one thing for me. I need you to give me your full attention for just 15 minutes to explain to you step by step what this entails and how you can actually get started. And that means if you're doing any other thing right now, you're on other apps, you're on TikTok, you're double tasking, I need you to leave all those things and watch this webinar thoroughly. I mean, watch it thoroughly, watch every single bit of it, because that is the only way you will understand fully what I will be explaining in this webinar. And I'll urge you to stay till the end, like stay till the very end, because I have a special giveaway for you at the end. Now, I believe it's high time I introduce myself, right? My name is Grace Amarachi, but you can call me Coach Oil Money, and I am a faceless digital marketer and a cyber friend. I'm also a six-figure entrepreneur, six-figure digital entrepreneur, which means I consistently make six figures every month from digital marketing and cyber friendship. I make over 20 to 30K on a daily basis through digital marketing, and in a month, I could be making about 300K, 400K, or even 500K. Yes, I make all that money just with my phone and internet connection. But I don't want to be calling big figures for you, because if you're in this webinar, it simply means one thing. You're a beginner. That means you've not made any money online. You don't know anything about what it means to make money online. Or maybe you've tried other businesses, but it has failed. You've been doing one thing or the other, but it does not seem to work for you. And that is why this training was designed to show you how you can move from that point which you are financially to making your first 100 to 500K online from just using your WhatsApp. Now, the reason I can relate a lot to most of you is because I used to be very broke. Yes, I was once a salary earner that was getting less than 15,000 naira from my very stressful job at a computer center, and I'm a student like most of you. But then things were really tough for me because I don't have money, my parents don't have money. Like, I just needed to start getting my own money because I knew there was no one coming to save me if I don't save myself. And that is when I dived into all this making money online stuff, and truth be told, it's not easy. I lost a lot of money to scammers and Ponzi schemes, coupled with the fact that I did not even have a good phone to do things like forex, book publishing, copywriting, content creation, online surveys, or even full-time digital marketing. And you can attest to the fact that all these very big online businesses can be very overwhelming sometimes and very confusing. I have been there and I understand what it feels like to be there. But for this training, we want to start with something small, something that is very common to everybody, which is WhatsApp. You cannot tell me that you don't have WhatsApp on your phone. That is not even possible. Everyone has WhatsApp. But the thing is, not everybody knows how to make money with their WhatsApp. And that is why my training was designed to show you how you can leverage from your WhatsApp and start making a shit ton of money. But before I explain how your WhatsApp can be monetized, I just want to point out a few things. Firstly, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You're not linking your WhatsApp to any website or to anything. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme or a Ponzi scheme where you like put in 5K to be getting 1K or 2K daily. No, this is not that kind of thing. Secondly, you have to know that without putting in the effort, without putting in the work, you won't see any results. Thirdly, you have to be serious and consistent. Okay, you have to be serious and consistent. In as much as you'll be putting in the work and putting in the effort, you have to be serious also and consistent about it. And finally, this works for everybody, whether you're a male, whether you're a female, whether you're young, you're old, you're a graduate, you're still in school, you just came out from secondary school. It works for everybody. Okay, now I know you guys are already asking the very big question: how exactly can WhatsApp be monetized? How exactly can your WhatsApp be monetized? I'm gonna be using a very logical illustration so that you can fully understand what I mean, like what I'm explaining. We can all attest to the fact that WhatsApp is slowly becoming a marketing tool. As in, everybody is selling something nowadays with their WhatsApp. This person is selling lip gloss, this person is selling gift packages, that person is selling skincare, the next person is selling clothes, this person is selling shoes and bags. Like, we know all of these things. WhatsApp is slowly and gradually becoming a marketing tool where you can reach a good number of persons. I'm not telling you to go and start selling clothes or shoes on your WhatsApp. That is not what I mean. Because if you're watching this webinar now, it means you don't even have the capital to start purchasing products or start a physical business. You don't have that capital. You don't have that kind of money. You don't have that money. Okay, so as someone who has made a lot of money from promoting digital products, I will advise you to start by promoting digital products. Yeah, I advise you, instead of you don't need to go and start buying things or looking for products to promote. Start by promoting digital products with your WhatsApp. Now, what exactly are digital products? These are products that you cannot see, you cannot touch. They are information, which means they give value. It's not like your physical products such as handbag or shoe or lip gloss or perfume. No, it is something that gives information, something that teaches people about something that helps people to achieve a certain result. Okay, like information. Now, let's say for example you're into baking. Information like how to bake an ice cream or chocolate cake, or how to bake different types of cookie, how to make your meat pie to last longer, how to make shawarma to be sweeter, how to, like, you can promote digital products like that. It could be in the form of an ebook, a course, a template, a guide, whatsoever. As long as it's something you can only access with your smartphone, your laptop, or your computer, it can only be accessed with a digital device. It is a digital product, and it is 100% possible to promote digital products using just your WhatsApp. All you need is your smartphone, which you already have, because if you don't have a smartphone, you will not be listening to me right now. You need your WhatsApp account, which you already have, because there's no way you cannot have WhatsApp account in this current age. No. And then you need a digital marketplace, which gives you access to the millions and millions of digital products that you can promote using your WhatsApp. And also you need the right training, which will teach you exactly what you need to do in order to promote those digital products and make money from them. You don't need to bother about buying products or worry about transport or shipping fee or way bill and all of that, because digital products don't require those kind of stress. That is why I say it is better you start with a digital product. Do you understand? And if you're still thinking it's not possible to make money through promoting digital products from your WhatsApp, you're asking how true is this? Check this out. There's this my student who is also my friend. She was selling perfume and scents, and before she enrolled for this WhatsApp monetization stuff, she would always come to me complaining of how stressful it is to sell off her product. Sometimes it could take her more than a month to sell one perfume or two perfume, which will just give her about 5k profits or 3k profits. Like in a whole month, a grown person, like an adult, is making 5k in a whole month, and she'll still be worried about shipping fee, delivery, making sure their customers receive their orders, and all that stress that comes with selling physical products. But can you imagine that this same girl was able to make 19,000 naira in one day just by using her WhatsApp to promote a digital product? I'm going to attach the screenshot of her payout that day, and I'm also going to be attaching a lot of testimonies from other people who have learned this system from me, so that you can know exactly what is possible for you if you enroll for my training and learn this same method. It seems like I've been doing a lot of talking. Let us quickly get into the testimonial so that you can see things for yourself. Now, this is testimony of that my student that I talked about, that is my friend. She literally made 19,400 in the space of one day, like not 1 week, not 1 month, in one day, just from selling one product using her WhatsApp. Now, this is testimony of another person. She was like, tell us that we'll be making money like this for 15,000 naira that she made in a week. She literally made her salary, more than her salary, in a week. I cannot even imagine how much her salary was if she can make that amount of money in a week. But she made that using just her WhatsApp. This person made 22,000 naira. She made 4 sales the previous day, and her payout came the next day. Like, she was like, this WhatsApp things. She made all this money using her WhatsApp. This is another student that made 11 sales, summing up a total of 119,000 in one day, all from using her WhatsApp, using my methods and techniques on her WhatsApp. This is another person that made 35,000 naira in one freaking day, all from using her WhatsApp. She was even saying, thank God she took the risk. Thank God he took the risk of just enrolling for this training. Like, he called this thing a scam for too long, and now the scam is paying him. Coach, thank you. Like, this is literally what is possible. Can you see other testimonials? Like, these are like testimonies of different people, all from WhatsApp. This is just a glimpse of what has been achieved by my students because they enrolled for my training, and this is also what is possible for you too. But just so you know, without proper training, people give up easily. Yeah, if you don't know before now, without proper training, without the right training, people tend to give up easily. And I do believe that we all have big dreams in our heart, right? Like, we all want to live freely, we all want to take care of our family, we all want to be able to live life freely without calculating every single naira or kobo that we are spending. But you won't be able to achieve those big dreams if you don't have a good job, or you are waiting for economy to get better so that things can become cheaper, or you're solely depending on one small source of income. Let's say you're making 30K a month, or 20K a month, or 50K a month. Like, hey, those big dreams that you have, there's no way you can achieve it with that kind of salary. But imagine if you could just use what you have. Like, you could just use the things that you have, which is your phone and access to an internet connection and your WhatsApp, to achieve those big dreams, to make your first 100 to 500K online. This is not just something that I'm saying, this is something that has been achieved. This is something that I have done. This is something that so many other people have done. And I'm giving you that opportunity. I'm giving you an opportunity now to start your journey with me so that I can guide you step by step in this process. Allow me to take you by the hand and show you how you can make your first 100 to 500K online. Maybe you can decide to go a step further on. You can decide to, okay, you want to learn something else, you want to start a physical business. But now I'm offering you an opportunity to get into my private training. Just so you know, this training is not for everybody. It is for those who are ready to learn and follow instructions and be consistent so that they can see good results. And this training is called the easiest guide to WhatsApp monetization. Tegwam, the easiest guide to WhatsApp monetization. Now, I know that most of you may be asking, what is inside this training? What is inside this training? I'm simply just going to show you some of the things that you'll be learning inside my training. Now, this training is going to show you how you will be getting high selling digital products to promote. You'll be learning how to access the digital marketplace, how to select good products that sell out fast. You're also going to be getting access to a step-by-step guide on the processes, all the processes that you need to make sales. Like, this is a step-by-step guide. You just need to follow the system. Okay, starting from how to promote the digital product to how you can close sales, you will be learning how to do all of that step by step. No stone will be left unturned. The next thing you're going to be getting is how you can get audience on your WhatsApp. Whether you have just 10 views or you have just 20 views, you're going to learn how to be getting audience on your WhatsApp without running ads. Even though you don't have any money to run ads, you're going to learn how to get audience on your WhatsApp. You're also going to be getting access to every tool and material that you'll be needing to do this. Inside my training, you'll get access to all the tools, all the materials that I will be talking about in the training. So you don't even need to bother yourself about where you get those things, because they're already available for you to use. The fifth thing you're going to be getting access to is my templates, like all my templates which I use to promote digital products and make sales. You just need to copy and paste them. This is going to be like a copy and paste system where you just need to copy the same methods that I used to make my first 1.5 million naira on WhatsApp. The first money I made by promoting digital products online was about 1.5 million naira, and it was with my WhatsApp. In fact, I still use my WhatsApp till today to promote digital products, and I'm going to be showing you the same system that I use, the step-by-step method. You just need to copy those templates and use it for yourself. Then you're going to be getting access to a support group and my inner circle. Like, this support group is going to give you access to my inner circle, access to me, where you can ask your questions, connect with like-minded people, and gain more clarity so that you can know that you are not alone in this journey, because this is a journey. And then you're going to be getting access to a one-on-one mentorship with me, which normally costs 20,000 naira. If someone else wants to come to pay just for my mentorship, it costs 20,000 naira, but you're going to be getting access to that inside my training, and you will not be paying 20,000 naira to get it. And then you're going to be getting access to every other thing that you will be needing to make your first 100 to 500K using WhatsApp. Then as a bonus, you will learn how to scale your income beyond 500K and above. Normally, this bonus should cost extra money, but for those of you that will get inside my training within the next 48 hours, they'll be getting this bonus for free inside my training. And after 24 hours, every other person will have to pay an extra money to get access to this bonus. Now, all of these things which I've mentioned, my entire training, how much does it cost? How much is my training? Now, all you'll be paying to get a lifetime access to this training, to Tigwam, and everything, learn how you can make your first 100 to 500K from your WhatsApp, is just 40,000 naira, which is even far less compared to how much this training can help you achieve, how far you can go. Like I said, this training is going to show you how you can make your first 100 to 500K on WhatsApp. Imagine using just 40K to learn something that can make you that amount, and even beyond, because you're going to learn how you can scale your income beyond that. But before I end this webinar, remember I said I have a giveaway for you if you stay till the end. Because you have stayed up till this point, I will be doing something crazy for you in the next 48 hours. So instead of paying 40,000 naira to enroll, you'll be getting access to my discount to enroll for my training. And because of that discount, you will be paying just 5,500 naira, just 5,500. Like, that is how affordable this discount is, because there's literally nothing you can do, nothing reasonable you can do in Nigeria, in fact in Africa as at now. 5,500 naira cannot even get you a proper meal. It cannot get you a good clothes for you to wear to church on Sunday. 5,500 naira cannot even take you out, like for you to buy just ice cream or buy just shawarma. Cannot. So the fact that you're watching this webinar right now, it means that you are very lucky, because that 5,500 naira that cannot even afford anything reasonable in Nigeria is what you are going to be using to enroll for my training, if you are fast enough, because this huge discount ends in 48 hours, and you'll also be getting access to the bonus, right? Yeah, you'll be getting access to everything. So this is your chance not to miss this discount, because after 48 hours you will be paying 40,000 naira to enroll for my training instead of 5,500 naira. So listen to the following instructions to know how you can enroll for my training with the discount price before the time runs out. Now, this first method that I'm going to be saying is for those people that I personally sent you the link to join this webinar. If I was not the one that sent you the link to join this webinar, wait for the second method that I will be saying. Okay, now, if I was the one that sent you the link to join this webinar, send me a message on WhatsApp now, I mean now, rush now and send it, because there is no time. I think this is just for about 4 or 5 people that will be getting access to it, even though it's ending in 48 hours. So rush now so that you'll be the lucky person and say, I am ready to enroll with the discount, and you will get an automated response from me that contains a link which you'll be using to make payments. Now, once you're done with your payment using that link, you will receive an email from seller immediately that confirms your payment. You will receive an email from seller immediately that confirms your payment. If you're outside the country, maybe you're not in Nigeria, you can switch the currency to your country's currency and make your payment in your currency. But if you're in Nigeria and you're having issues with payment, you can as well DM me. This is for those that are just in Nigeria. You can as well DM me and I'll send you an account number which you'll be paying to. All right. And yeah, this is my number on your screen in case you don't have access to me on WhatsApp. Maybe you saw this webinar on any of my social media and you want to enroll for the training now. This is my number on your screen. Send me a message now to enroll for the training before the discount ends. But if someone else sends you the link, like if someone else sends you the link to this webinar, rush now. I'm not joking when I say rush now. Maybe you got access to the webinar in a group, or someone sent you the link personally. Rush now to that group, because the link has been posted in the group by now. Or rush now to the person's DM and tell the person, I am ready to enroll with the discount, and you will get a link from that person which you'll be using to make payment. Once you're done with your payment, you receive an email from seller. If you're having issues with payment, also contact the person. The person will show you what to do, direct you on what to do to make your payment effortlessly before the discount runs out. And once you're done, immediately you receive an email from seller that confirms your payment, and you'll be given further instructions from that person. Now, we have come to the end of this webinar. Your time has started counting. The 48 hours that you have to enroll for my training has started counting now. And if you just enrolled, if you just rush now to my DM and I've sent you the link, you have already enrolled. Congrats in advance. I will see you on the inside. If you're yet to enroll and you are about to do that, also congrats in advance. I will see you inside my training. Peace out.